In this tutorial, we'll cover how to set up your pet exports in iFrames. Did you know that we provide automatic exports to Adoptable Pet, Pet Finder, and Rescue Groups several times a day? So how does it work? Anytime you add an available pet into your Pet Established account, that pet will be exported out to these sites once your exports are activated. And whenever a pet status is changed to adopted or is no longer available, the pet will automatically be removed from the public listing. If you have an existing account on any of these platforms, setting up your pet exports will help you save a ton of time from entering and updating data in multiple places while keeping your available pet listing current. To set up your exports, go to Organization Settings, not to be confused with My Organization, and proceed to Exports and iFrames. When you select Add New Export Service, you'll have the option of choosing the service provider from the drop-down menu. Depending on the service provider, a different set of step-by-step instructions will appear on how to set up your exports and request your FTP username and password. For instance, when you select Pet Finder from the drop-down list, we provide a template on how to request your FTP information from them. Once you receive a reply from Pet Finder, you can go back to this page and enter your FTP username and password in these fields in order to activate your exports. Please note that your FTP username and password is not your regular login email and password. Under the Personalized iFrame heading, you'll notice two options, Contain and Cover. These options determine how your pet photos will be displayed in the public listing. Contain will display the entire photograph of the pet, while Cover will display the central area of the photograph. Pet widgets are a great way of displaying your available pets on your site. By copying the code below, you can list your adoptable pets using our adoption listing template. This iframe shows your cats, dogs, and other animals that are available for adoption and will automatically remove them if a pet is no longer available. To make it work, please have your website administrator copy and paste the HTML code for the adoptable pet list you want shown into your organization's webpage. We also provide API documentation so you can customize the iframe to the look and feel of your page. Another benefit of using our iframe is that the Adopt and Foster buttons on the pet's profile directly link to your adoption and foster applications, and every time an application is submitted, the form as well as the applicant's contact information is saved in the software for future reference. This concludes our tutorial, but feel free to reach out if you have any questions or for API documentation. You can also view more tutorials in the Tutorials and FAQ section of your account or schedule an online walkthrough with one of our friendly team members. Thank you for your time and for all that you do.